Okay, so here we have the kitchen. You've got plenty of storage as well. Slide out drawers there. Space for your coffee machine there with the power point down there. More storage. A bigger cabinet up here. Very spacious. Here you have your fridge freezer, so freezer up here. So these doors can open both directions from both sides. Same with the fridge. Just make sure one side is shut before you open the other side. Now to get this fridge working, holding the button there for a few seconds. So the fridge is set on auto. So once you're not plugged in, you're not driving, it will find the gas. So at the moment it's got a little gas burner there. Once you start driving, it will activate the vehicle battery, and once you plug in, it will go to the power point. To do some settings on this fridge, you can just click there, scroll down whichever you want, click there again, then you all your different settings there. To turn off the fridge as well, you just hold it for a few seconds in, fridge will turn off. We come along to this side. Here you have a light. There's a touch button there, a little switch there. You also have cabinets up there. There you have your fly screen and blind all in one, but you can loosen them, so you can have them separately. Rubbish bin down there, basin here. So these can be, if you need more storage space, these can come in here. And this is for more bench space. This space can just insert there. You got hot and cold as well. Here you have another burner. It's hidden away under there. It's got a drain as well, so you can clean this area. It will all drain out down there. So it's just push down and twist and hold for a while. There you can see the flames. And the same with the push down, twist. They're all going. Yeah, you can put your towel racks on there and there as well. Then you got your oven. To activate your ovens, to the left, hold down, flame there, let go. If you need to grill anything, turn it to the right. So that you grill up there. To grill, you need to pull this plate slightly out and about 45 degrees. And then just have more storage space down there, and the same with all soft close. Up here you have your extractor fan. So you need to just twist this to open the hatch. Then you can select if you want air to pull out, and you've got different speed settings. Or if you want air to be pushed back into the vehicle, you can just switch it over there, and then we'll do the same. Go.
Turn the power on first. Yeah.
It's on. No, that's pushing back in.
Yeah.